Hi there, Diva here, and welcome to my channel, Divashiro. So for today's video, I will be guiding you on how you would manage the bookmarks that you have saved in the Google Chrome browser. So creating bookmarks in Google Chrome is just like creating shortcuts of your favorite website, or it can be an interesting web page that you have found in Google and you want to save that one because you want to revisit it easily. So, how do we manage bookmarks? We have to do the following. First, we need to add a bookmark. So, later on, I will show to you on how we are going to add a bookmark. Next, if we have already created bookmarks, then I will show to you as well on how you would organize the bookmarks into a folder. And lastly, there's another way on how you would organize your bookmarks more by using the Bookmark Manager in Google Chrome. Alright, so I know you're excited on how to do this one, so let's begin! Let's open now Google Chrome browser. So first, we need to add a bookmark. So there are two ways on how you would add a bookmark. The easiest way is you would navigate here from this section in the URL box by accessing this star icon. Wherein once you hover it, there's this label or tooltip which is bookmark this tab. Alright? And the other one is by accessing this three dots here or option, and then you go to bookmarks and you would do that one in the Bookmark Manager. But let's start adding a bookmark directly from this interface. So when we are going to create a bookmark, we have to search first a certain website. So let's search. So in this particular website that I have just searched here in Google, I would like only to grab information here from their tutorials section of their website. So let me click that. There you go. So I want to mark this or set this with a bookmark because I just want to visit this one again so that I can access this information. So click the star icon here and then click this add bookmark and you will see this menu. Inside this box, you would see here a folder. So the default folder for adding a bookmark is the bookmarks bar. So let's set that. And then you will see the name. The name is already taken from the name of the website or the link that you have just clicked when you have searched that particular information. Right? Then click done. You will not get to see right away the bookmarks set on the bookmarks bar, but when I'm going to click a new tab here, you would get to see now the first bookmark that I have just created here. You will get to see the logo of the website, the name of that particular information you access from that website, and of course the URL or the address of the website. Okay, so I will be adding another bookmark to a particular website. So let me just have this. Click this website here and go to the star icon. Add this as a bookmark. And same thing, we will just place it on the bookmarks bar so that it will be visible right away in the Google Chrome. Done. Click a new tab. There you go. We just created second bookmark. Okay. So now, if you don't want to see the name of this bookmark here, you can only simply edit this, like by hovering it and then right click and then you go to edit. And then the name has been selected or highlighted already. All you have to do is press the delete or del key from your keyboard, or it can be a backspace. And then just leave the URL there, and then don't forget to save what changes you have made. There you go. So what is left here on the bookmarks bar is the logo of that website, but when you hover it, you will also get to see the address of that website. Now, there is another easy way on how you would organize these bookmarks here by creating a folder directly on this bar. So you just have to right click here on the bar and then you look for add folder, click that, and then describe what would be your folder all about. So let's say multimedia, and then don't forget to save the changes. There you go. So I've just created directly a folder in this bar. So we are now about to organize our bookmark by placing it into a folder. So you just have to simply drag the bookmark here found on the bookmarks bar. Just click and then drag it, bring it inside a folder, click and drag. When you click this folder here, you will get to see the list of your bookmarks that you have placed here inside this folder. Alright? Now, if you don't want as well to see the name of this folder, same thing, you just have to right click and you click rename. And just erase this by clicking backspace, or if not, delete key, and then save. But I'll just have to leave it that way, so I'll just have to cancel it. Now we created a bookmark and then we add a bookmark into the folder. You organize it to a folder. Now if you want to organize it further, you don't want to do it here on this section of the browser, you can always manage it by using this. So click this three dots here for options, and then over to bookmarks, and then you go to Bookmark Manager. So still you would see the folder that I have just created a while ago, which is multimedia. So if you don't want to display this one on the bar, you just have to click this three dots again, or the option dots, and then you may click delete or you may rename. Alright? So you can also, at the same time, you can also add here a new folder if you want to. Or you can also add a new bookmark here. Just make sure that you copy the exact website address of that certain website that you want to add as a bookmark, and then click save. So here's another folder wherein you can place all the different folders, your customized folders which you would like to organize further all of your bookmarks. So for example, I click other bookmarks here and I would like to add a new folder. Let's say music videos, and then click save. There you go. I have my folder specifically for music videos under this other bookmarks. So when I'm going to search, so let's say let's go to YouTube. And let's say music travel. And let's say I want to have this. There you go. And then click this star icon, add this bookmark, but this time it would be placed on that new folder that I have just created, which is music video. So let's look for that. So we know that it is found on the other bookmarks. So let's just have to click this arrow down here, and then let's see the folder that we have just created, which is labeled music videos, and let's click that so that we can save this website here or this page into this folder and set it as a bookmark. So there you go. So we have a folder here having a list of bookmarks that we have just created, and we have another folder here, other bookmarks, wherein we created another folder for us to place another set of bookmarks that we want to organize or manage. All right, so there you go, everyone. If you think that this video helped you, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Divashiro by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon for you to be updated of my upcoming videos. So friends, thank you once again for being with me and watching this video. Bye for now.